Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something a lot of people search for: how to see incognito history on Google Chrome using an Android phone. You might have seen videos or posts claiming there's a hidden Chrome URL that reveals everything you browsed. But is that actually true? Let's break it down clearly, safely, and without any clickbait. And I promise you'll know the real answer by the end. So first, let's set the record straight. Incognito mode on Chrome does not save your browsing history on the device. Once you close the Incognito tab, the browser wipes the local activity. No Chrome URL, no secret menu, no hidden settings can restore that information. And any website claiming otherwise is either misleading or showing normal browser data, not incognito activity. But here's what is important to understand. While Chrome doesn't store your incognito history on your phone, your network and account activity might still be visible in other places you control. And this is exactly where people get confused. Here are the real, legitimate ways you may still see browsing activity if you're the owner of the device or the network. Google My Activity, if sync was on. If Chrome Sync or web and app activity is enabled, even in incognito, some searches or actions may still appear in your Google account. This doesn't come from incognito storage. It comes from your Google services, your Wi-Fi router or DNS provider. If you manage your home network, DNS services like Cloudflare Family, OpenDNS, or router logs can show domains visited from your device. Not page content, just domains. Again, this has nothing to do with Chrome storing history, parental control, or monitoring tools. If you installed these apps yourself, they can track browsing across all modes, including incognito. Parents often use this for kids' devices. So the truth is this: you cannot open Chrome and view incognito history directly because Chrome simply does not store it, and any trick involving Chrome /URLs only shows you general Chrome tools, not your private browsing record. What you can do is manage your device, your Google account, and your network activity to understand what data is being stored outside of Chrome. And knowing this helps you stay safer, more private, and more in control of your browsing. So that's the real story behind incognito history on Android. If you found this explanation helpful, or if it saved you from falling for misleading tutorials, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.